Jai Hind. So let's start our fifth video, which is continuation of psych test. Today we will cover situation reaction test or SRTs, right? And before I proceed, don't forget to popularize this video by sharing it with your friends if you find it useful, right? Okay. So you get 60 SRTs to be finished in 30 minutes there. That means for each SRT you get 30 seconds to write. In those 30 seconds you're supposed to read the SRT and then you are supposed to write your response how to solve that SRT. So that means 5 to 7 seconds gone for reading it, you are left with only 20 to 25 seconds in which you're supposed to write. And that also means that you need to be short and crisp in writing your SRTs. And in that you are supposed to cover all the essentials of the problem as well. Otherwise, there's no point in handling it if you leave certain aspects of it. Now, you can divide these SRTs in various categories. They can be organizational, they can be situational, they can be related to the task. So let's see what are the different types of SRTs and how possibly you can handle. And then more importantly, how you should go about writing it, because that's where you lose a lot of time. First thing is, suppose there is a fire in the house, right? So what do? When there is fire in the house, the two most important aspects are, first is the people who are stuck inside, and second is to put out the fire, correct? And there's a beautiful word about the people who are stuck inside if you want to take them out, and that is evacuate people. The way you will write this solution to this SRT is, you will say, straight away you will say, evacuate people, comma, give first aid, comma, send them to hospital if required, comma, inform the fire brigade, comma, with the help of others, extinguish fire, full stop. So you've been short, crisp, without the long-winded sentences, and you've been able to cover all the essentials which are there in a problem. Suppose you have to organize, say, a hockey match. Now you can write a book about organizing a hockey match, and still you may fall short of pages. But the way you need to handle is, what is required for organize a hockey match? You require a playground, a hockey ground firstly. Then you require two teams. Without that, match cannot be handled or held. You require equipment, hockey sticks, ball, scoreboard, right? Then you require officials, maybe the lineman, referee, scorekeeper. And then lastly, if you are having a hockey match, there are chances of people getting injured. So you should have medical cover, or call it ambulance or medical cover, which should be available. So if you've covered these aspects and you've written, that means your hockey match is organized. Even if the audience is not there, hockey match can be held. If prizes are not there, hockey match can be held. VIP is not there or chief guest is not there, hockey match can be held. But if you remove any of the things that I have mentioned, then your hockey match is incomplete. It cannot be held. So what you're covering in SRTs is only the essentials, because we understand you got only 30 seconds in which you got to handle it, including reading of the SRT. So be very, very short and crisp. That's how you'll be able to handle them. Now, thirdly, now suppose you're going with your, say, younger sister. You're going on a road and you find some armed people. They come in your way or they stop you, and they ask you, okay, so what will you do if some armed people stop you away? Now remember, when you are alone, correct? When you are alone, then possibly if there are armed people, you can, hoodwink them, put sand in their eyes, or, trick them, run away. That is acceptable. But now in this case, you cannot run away. And if there are two gundas who've stopped you and there is younger sister with you, can you run away from there? You can't run away because she can't run away. So in such a case, whenever you are with your wife, with your mother, with your sister, with your girlfriend, with your, younger sibling, so responsibility of their safety and security lies entirely on you. It is as simple as that, where as long as I am there, I will not let anything happen to them. And if that doesn't happen and I am not there, then just too bad. Then you can't help it. So you should be very, very focused and clear where you should take what action. If you are alone, then possibly yes, you will try and run away. And if you are planning to join defense forces, you have one odd person who's unarmed and against you, or maybe even two people unarmed and against you, then you should have that courage to fight with them. Okay. Now next is the situations in which there is a question of task. You should always remember that first, if the country is at war, then the country comes first and your family comes later. If country is not at war, then of course you have a responsibility to take care of your family as well, right? Same way, you are given a particular task, then remember your task comes first and your comfort comes later. Suppose you are going somewhere in the bus, and bus is totally full, and next bus will come after 2 hours. You reach at the earliest to a destination. So what should you do? You should wait for the next bus, hire a cab, or you should take the same bus, even if it's there is no place to sit down. Now remember, here if you remember that your task is important, then you would say, okay, even if I don't sit down, I'll stand up and go. Or if you are going in a train which is full, there is no seat available, you should be willing to go standing, because what is important? Important is the task. Your comfort comes later. If you remember this particular aspect, the task is important and comfort is later, then half your problem is solved. Not only in SRTs, in your life as well. So remember, your task is important, not your personal comfort. So remember these points while you are writing your SRTs. And a golden tip, if you finish about 45 of them, you should be very happy. And in fact, I would recommend that you should attempt only 45. And the time that you save by not attempting the last 15, you should utilize that time to improve the quality of these 15. Understood? So that is how you should go about handling your SRTs. That's it for today. And remember to share this video with other friends of yours. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.